Hi, this is Bovi and the channel name is Bovket Vlog. Welcome to another video. If you're watching for the first time, I make videos on health benefits basing on fruits, vegetables and plants. Start by subscribing and turn on notification bell so that you won't miss out any video update.
Corn silk tea contains powerful antioxidants that help prevent the damage of free radicals, which is essential for the optimal functioning of all the vital organs of the body. Benefit of drinking corn silk tea is that it provides your body with vitamin K. This vitamin is important for controlling bleeding. This tea helps in boosting digestion and treating digestive problems. It is also a great source of beta-carotene, niacin, and limonene, and thus makes this tea beneficial for our health. It helps in increasing the amount of urine. When this occurs, you can avoid many kidney problems as toxins and other harmful substances are efficiently flushed out of your body. With the claims in healthcare potential, it is very important to carry out clinical evaluations to substantiate the claims and further enhance the confidence in its beneficial therapeutic effect for human consumption.
In hot boiling water, add this corn silk. You can use fresh corn silk like I'm doing right now, or you can use the dried ones. Add honey, a spoon or two according to your convenience. Ginger, sliced ginger, and sliced lemon. If you don't like the flavor of the lemon cover, you can just squeeze off the juice. However, I prefer this way. While it is still boiling, we can cover it with a lid tightly so that it can extract all the vitamins present in the corn silk.
Wow, it is very refreshing. Thank you guys for watching. Please continue to support me by subscribing to my channel. I'll try to bring new videos and more updates. Thank you.